Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Measure everything before you start. 14 Oz sweetened condensed milk, 200 g dark chocolate chopped, 50 g butter, and 5 cups Milo powder. Line an 8-inch square pan with parchment paper and lightly grease so fudge releases cleanly. Keep a spatula, a heavy saucepan, and a heat-proof bowl nearby. Also measure 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to add at the end for flavor balance. Pre-measuring prevents overcooking and speeds the process when you combine hot chocolate and condensed milk. Place the 14 Oz can of sweetened condensed milk and 50 g butter in a heavy saucepan and gently heat over low for about 3 minutes until warm and fluid. Do not boil. Remove from heat and immediately stir in 200 g chopped dark chocolate until fully melted, then fold in 5 cups Milo and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Return briefly to low heat only if needed and stir continually until the mixture thickly coats the back of a spoon, about 6 to 8 minutes total, ensuring no scorch. Immediately pour the hot Milo fudge into the prepared 8-inch pan and smooth the top with a spatula to an even 1-inch thickness so it cuts nicely. Let the pan sit at room temperature until no longer steaming, then chill uncovered in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours until firm. To serve, lift the parchment, transfer to a cutting board, and cut into 1-inch squares with a sharp knife warmed in hot water for cleaner cuts. Store airtight in the fridge up to 7 days or freeze up to 1 month. Add chopped nuts or shredded coconut before chilling to vary texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.